What's going on, guys? I'm gonna play Heroes Legend. This, no, guys, I'm so noob, but I have more account here. So watch. Over here. What? Okay, here. First, we're gonna put for Haku. Oh, that's so good. This. Oh, Ino. That's amazing, Ino. I don't care about Ino, okay? Let's go here. For Naruto. Okay, Rasengan. I have two Rasengan. Kidding me? Could put for this Haku. Let's see. This class B. Okay, try this guy. Okay, class B, class B, class B. Okay, this. There you go. It's like cool. I'm showing guys the video how to kill a 6-pot. No, 6-pot, 6-tail. Okay, let's go here. All the tails here, I can kill them from D. That's what cool, amazing. Okay, let's play now. Oh my gosh, it's like precision. Oh, it's so cool. That's so cool. I thought that. That's so cool. That's what I did. And then, look, Kakashi's there. He's watching. There. He, go kill it, Haku. You can do it. Oh, you're gonna win now. The guys. You're gonna win this time, Haku. Just watch, Haku. Oh, level 7. Can put Haku. Let's see what they gonna bring. Oh, gosh, that's so amazing, Haku. It's the greatest. Oh, I get class B. I mean class D. Okay, let's go. Hello. Greatest, guys. Oh my gosh, look at again. Yes, two guys will achieve. You. Oh, just kill, but that guy is so dumb. That's what is this? Come on, what's going on? So cool there. Oh, hurt. That's hurt. Ow. It's hurt a lot. Ow. Okay, there we go. Let's get someone. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, that's amazing, how cool. Oh, I thought this. That's amazing. That's for Lee. Oh, never mind. Oh my god. Look at that guy. So dumb. Gosh, no. Oh, yes. I won. gonna take a long time. I'm gonna faster, guys. But what's up, guys? I'm back. I'm finally there now. Okay, let's do it. Kill them. Oh, 6 button. The 6 one now. 6 button. Don't kill it. That's what you got. 6 button. No. Choriki. Oh no, don't Choriki. No, don't. This is me. Yes, you're that newbie. Can ever kill me away from this noob. Oh. Guys, just watch on the video. If you want, guys, you like it, just subscribe and pimple some up. Just click type. I want this, and I'm gonna see you guys next time. Go.